Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to a Richer Craft Professional. So today we bought something fresh concept. It's previous layer got which is called like a round layer haircut. It's once again the repeated back, the same model she wanted in the long. It seems the same previous round layer haircut. So the same section just I'm carry forward with the fringe section got separate, and majorly the two sections in the crown it will be going to be huge, something like horses sections. And after that, year to year back, I'm just going to be takes separating sections. So this is one of the fundamentally it's a basic good concept of the haircut for especially baby and who carried something mid like below shoulder their hair, and it will be according to the medium thickness also is really suitable this haircut. So try once for sure, it will be look so clean and neat. And help up to the comb also I'm going to be explaining you guys. In the back everything I'll just take with the round layers which is called it's 120, and apart from that at 90 degrees also it's going to be implement on this layers so step by step. With the curve part also will remove this. So before that we're just going to start one length basic. The one length basic haircut is previously whatever is done, just half an inch we're just going to be trimmed, and top of that we're recreating the layers. One length basic haircut is properly performing as a guideline. So after finish this one length basic, we're just going to be start the layering. I pick from exactly occipital bone to the center profile section, the first section. I pick from 120 degree, adding the layers and without compromise the length, and rest of the curve part use in creating its layer instance. At the same thing is carry forward with vertical section step by step and another side. So ensure the round layers is one of the best haircut for especially for straight and thin hair and silky hair, and if they want something boost their layers and without compromising the length, that is the best one. And after haircut I'm just cross checking in one side and I'll come to another side. So same thing is consistently forward, take forwarding something like guidelines, previous guideline, and rest of the hair merging in the layers. So after that I'll come to side portion. The same thing before starting the layers and just giving one length basic. After that I pick from stationary guideline from the back, and rest of the hair going to merge in the layers. After that I'll come to another side. So these things we just as taking as round layers. The second time the model has to repeat it for something getting the same previous hair without reducing the hair any shortens. That is got taken short, and after that finally come to the crown portions. I releasing with both the sides two sections. In both the sections I pick from exactly center profile and taking as a guideline in the exactly crown. So before that I'm going to show you that is going to be connect exactly towards the 90 degree layers. So little, this is a diagonal forward the finger I'm using. The previous layers also remain the same, and the saving the length and rest of the head, just recreating the more layers. So intentionally we just going to save the length and more creating the layers, and both things will be take care of carry forward at the same time, so it can be visible. And slightly I'm just taking like push forward, overlapping the layers, and finally I'll come to take same section in another side from 2. After that I'm just cross checking both the sides. So finally I'm going to release the fringe. Finally in that I just 2 sections get separated. So one section is just taking as to the over directing feathering movement of the techniques, small section, over lifting right to left and left to right, so that will be create this more flexible fringes and the diagonal shapes, and the same thing will be like length also will be saving it. So that's a trick, is one of the best technique in the fringes. Who can literally wanted cotton bangs, this is one of the best technique for to provide. And after that, whatever is the cotton bangs is there, the creating top of that, it will be curve part removing and just recreating the refreshing the layers. The same thing I'm just going to follow on another side too. Lie slightly diagonal forward. A thin section is just saving the length and just creating the curtain bangs. And I'm just taking to the curve part as a layer, which can be provided flexible in the so completely got finished. Like natural layers, the messy, you can just see that from the before blow dry how was the complete of the baby. It's a pretty good finishing, was really nice. And after that is ultimate blow dry, which is called spiral blow dry. I'm going to be started. You all understand the butterfly layers transformations, and this video also will go into one of the implementation of the haircut. So after this is upcoming video, it's round butterfly layers. So that is a new concept of the haircut. I hope you, for all of you, with a pretty excited for that haircut. Whoever really excited for that haircut, please comments below. I'll put it on the directly link into the comments. I'm looking forward for all the comments for sure, and any other updated videos looking forward, please let me know in the comments below. Definitely I'll think and just look at forward that too. And if you have any suggestions to me to improve the videos and any of qualities, please let me know in the comments below. Definitely I'll put it forward. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and please do share with your friends, and hit the bell icon for a more updated video for get notifications first your side. And such concept of the videos, we can just tutorial basis of haircuts we're bringing very or please support us, will be bring more such kind of contents. So one side is got finished, and another side also is going to be finishing soon, and very short in time and just going to be finished the crown portions also in the blow dry. Now come to the crown portion. The center of the crown I'm just giving to the nice shine and heat visible to volume on the overall the hair. So after that I come to the fringe portion. So before that, whatever is long hair got remain, I'm just separating for that too. I'm just doing a blow dry. And finally I'll come to the fringe cut and bangs. So this is one of my prettiest interesting subject, which is cut and bangs. Layering, you can just see top to bottom each and everything is got connected and looking shiny and flexible finishing, and this is completely awesome on the finishing. And the same thing, we just given back something layers on it, and this time we saved a lot of length. You can see too much of flexibility and bounciness on the layers. So hope you all have enjoyed the video and understand too. Now you can just see the cut and bangs. I'm just going to be doing this after that and just so after that I'm just going to be add texture. The texture which whatever you had up previous the haircut, the same way you can just pick them up and just give a texture, so shouldn't be reduced much on the hair. So after that I'll come to another side. All the section, the slice pieces, I'm just parallelly I'm picking all the hair and adding the texture and finishing them on quick. So this is complete of the final presentation of the haircut finishing. So hope you all understand, and if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. Finally I'm just going to be add the cut and bangs finishing, so that will be a final look. Hope you all understand and enjoyed to this video. Please, if you really like the video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and please do share with your friends. Definitely will meet up with the next video with same whichever you expect on the concept. Please, until the take care. We will be meet back something like freshest subject. Until take care and be safe.